Hello cookbook friends, this is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and it was cold today and I was drinking massive amounts of tea, and so I felt like looking through a tea and cake cookbook. So luckily I had checked this out from the library. If my hands are a little shaky, I've had a lot of caffeine today. Time to switch to decaf or just water. How about just water? This is Tea and Cake, Perfect Pairings for Brews and Bakes by Liz Franklin. Photography by Isabel Wield. Let's take a peek. This came out newly. It says 2021. Ooh, Ryland Peterson Small. So far so good. It's pretty. Okay, table of contents. Keeping it short and sweet. Introduction, all about tea, breakfast teas, calming teas. That's what I need right now. Refreshingly different teas, afternoon teas, dinner party teas. Okay, so introduction, etc., etc. All about tea and the types of tea, green, black. I prefer black, but I drink green tea once in a while because it has different healthy properties. Yellow tea, white tea, tea equipment. I use a mug in the microwave. I'm sorry, it's wrong, I know. Tea cozies. Bringing tea to the table. Tea producing regions. India, Japan, Sri Lanka, Taiwan, China. Milk, yes or no? All right, breakfast teas. Orange Pico tea with fat rascals. That's what I call my dogs, fat rascals. Ooh, this is beautiful photography. Moroccan mint tea with apple, cinnamon, and cardamom baricas. Assam leaf tea with goji berry, chia seed, and citrus muffins. Now I have to skip ahead because I can't show you every recipe in the book. Royal English breakfast tea with traditional fruit tea bread. Wait till you see this picture. Mango infused tippy green tea with fresh apricot tart. That looks gorgeous. Now we're in the calming teas section. I will attempt to be calm, but if I see an awesome picture, I'm going to freak out. Chamomile flower tea with vanilla butter cookies. Simple enough to make. Rooibos and vanilla tea with banana and nutmeg custard brownies. That looks burned, but it must be the nutmeg and chocolate or something made it dark. I don't know. Lemon balm tea with clotted cream and raspberry brulee tartlets. Cute. What else do we have here? This is interesting. Olive leaf tea with pine nut and rosemary cookies. Wow, I wonder what those would taste like. Do they have a little chocolate in them maybe? Manuka honey tea with honey and banana bread. I love all these combos. I think I need to skip to the next chapter though. Refreshingly different teas. Oh. Jasmine flowering tea with little custard tarts. Cinnamon scented black tea with Caribbean rum cake. Ginger tea with sticky molasses and pumpkin cake. I don't know how to pronounce this one word, so I'm moving on. Okay, afternoon teas. Hopefully decaf, which is what I need right now. Lime iced tea with borage, ice cubes, and cherry and blueberry Eccles cakes. This photography is gorgeous. This would be a great gift book. White tea with buttery carrot and orange cake. See, I wonder what to pair with my white tea, because I do drink white tea sometimes. Pure tea with lemon fudge slices. Autumn tea with vegan brownies. Oh, another gorgeous photo. I'm going to try to pronounce this. Tregothnan estate tea with hazelnut, peach, and red currant frangipani tart. I've never heard of Tregothnan estate tea. I'm going to go look it up when I'm off camera. Lady Grey tea with raspberry macaroons. Can you imagine going over to someone's house for tea and they serve you that? Oh, gorgeous. Gunpowder tea with walnut tart. I drink gunpowder tea sometimes. It's not my favorite. Russian caravan tea with crisp vodka cookies. I will eat vodka cookies all day long. Why, sure. Earl Grey tea with a Yorkshire curd tart. Beautiful photos. Another beautiful galette. White Darjeeling tea with butter glazed lemon cake. And we're getting to the end. Dinner party teas. I'm only going to show you 2 of these so I don't ruin the whole book for you. Korean yellow tea with Breton prune cake. This is a really interesting tea book, unlike any I've read before, I have to say. How about silver needle tea with Fres de Bois Friands, which I think is raspberry something something fritters, I guess. Cute. Don't know. Wow. Okay. And some cool stuff at the end. Okay, I promised I would only show you 2, but here's 3. Formosa oolong tea with fig and mascarpone tart. Gorgeous. Wow. Highly recommended. That was tea and cake. I really enjoyed looking through that. I hope you did too. Liz Franklin, you did a great job, and the photography, Isabel Wild, amazing. If you'd like to see more of our cookbook look-throughs and reviews, go on over to the cookbookdivas.com website or search for our podcast. We post cookbook news to Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. And if you see something you like one of our videos or posts, please click like and comment to say something nice, because then the algorithms from social media will show you even more of our posts. Bye.